In the bustling kitchens of the Achillies area, a common hiccup disrupts the harmony: jammed garbage disposals. This appliance, designed to make kitchen cleanup a breeze, can become a source of frustration when it jams, often due to running without water, disposing of inappropriate items, or neglecting proper maintenance. The consequences: a halt in kitchen efficiency and an unwelcome addition to your to-do list. But fear not, for there is a straightforward solution to this grinding problem. If your garbage disposal has become more of a problem than a convenience, it's time to call in the professionals. Dial 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified plumbing experts who can swiftly address and resolve your disposal dilemmas. Serving the Achillies community, they're ready to ensure your kitchen centerpiece runs smoothly, so you can get back to what matters most. Don't let a jam disposal disrupt your day. Make the call today.